And I just wanted to use some of my pouring medium up today. I've had some paints mixed for a while, and I thought I'd just kind of see what we end up with today. So, just mix some paints here. So I think we're going to go with black, blue, purple, and maybe some gold. Black, blue, purple. I've got some yellow here, a little bit of teal. I'm going to do a little bit of purple, and let's see, do I have any red happening? Red. All right, I think we're good here. So, start with what you want on the top, right? So, I think I'm only going to put the oil today, which is the coconut milk, and I'm going to put like 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. Looks like a 4th one snuck off. That's all right. And I'm going to stir that in, and then this is what I'm going to use to layer in between the other colors. And I'm going to try to do these mostly the same, and do a kiss pour. So, up or up, people. I'm just adding a little more of my pouring medium in. It's a little more fluid than I was liking. Okay. Purple. Put some turquoise in here. And then we need some more of our black in here, which is what's going to give us, hopefully, some pretty cells. Okay, now I've got the blue, which I need to add my pouring to. Like magic, it works in. Blue. I got a bit of floetrol not happening. One way, just again. Some red. Looks like ketchup coming out there. Some more black. And I'm going to put just a drop in what I have left of this blue. A little extra drop of oil here, just so we get a little different. Let's do red, black, purple. Let's do some blue. A little more red. Oops. Some more red. Some more yellow. And it still doesn't want to go. Yes, I am dripping. It is okay. Okay, put another little bit in here. Okay, clear a little space here. Definitely time to clean my area again. It did not happen last weekend. I was not feeling 100% up to par, so life happens sometimes. What can I say? I'm going to throw on a pair of gloves. I guess better late than never. Hi. I'm speaking to my dog, if you're wondering who I'm speaking to offhand. What's up? Hello. Alright, so, kind of new to this whole kiss pour thing, so I'm just going to hope that this works. I'm kind of liking what I'm seeing so far. Ooh. You can see I'm not completely level by the fact that it did run to one side over the other, but this should be just fine. We should be able to move this around without a problem. I love it already, and I haven't even played with it. How cool is that? Oh, have some of those colors blended. I'm going to just let that sit for a minute and just see what it's going to do. One of my hardest things with this is having patience. Put a little heat on this. And I know I've got to run off a lot more of this, but I think what I will do, because I've got such pretty runoff happening right now that I'm loving, I think maybe I'm going to try a dip, if you'll hang with me that long. Wait, again. I'm going to give this a little more heat. Finger. Make sure these little corners are covered. I love doing these and just seeing what happens. Now, because of the fact I was using older paint, I'm not quite sure if they were all mixed using the same formula, so that is part of the great mystery of this. I'm just kind of trying to decide how I want to move forward. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this sit for a bit, off to the side a little bit. Okay, get that out of the way, and that out of the way. I'm just going to add whatever's left in these. Okay, you grab canvas real quick. So, I have an old piece here. Just an old, nothing much. I want to see what this is going to do to it, okay? So, the first place I'm in love is up here. Ooh, let's try what some of this blue up here does. It may be getting a little too muddy. But I also think I'm okay with it. Wow, that's kind of cool. I'm just going to go through, and some of these muddy areas I'm just going to use for the sides. Touch those up a bit. And I will show you once we are dry. And I'm going to give one more stamp just with my little 4x4 that I try to do after. And we'll see what the rest of this becomes once it's dry. Experiment. What happens if I add a little bit of color back in and swipe? What? Okay. real life. Happens here, guys. What do you think so far? Are we getting something? Okay, I don't know if you were seeing what's going on here with some of these cells, but they're really popping up. Cool, and I can't wait when some of these skins that we've been making together dry, so I can show you how I turn them into jewelry. Alright guys, that's it.